ito po yung Uptown Ritz for bedroom, 182 square meter. So this is ready for occupancy unit from Mega World. So ito yung first room, ito yung toilet and bath. Ayan. Tapos dito sa first room, meron lang siyang window facing Makati skyline. Ayan. Meron na siyang closet and AC. So mabilis lang. Second room. So this is the common toilet and bath. So pang second toilet and bath. Ito yung second room. Pero siyang balcony actually. Ito yung view na balcony ng second room. Okay. Ito yung view dito sa right side.